So today I'm going to show you just a simple trick for the S197 power seat rails and motors. So the most common issue that I've come across is that these motors and rails just lock up. So this one I can't move. Take my mallet, get it to move this way, right? So with it being that locked up, it's got to be gummy and chewy inside. Take you some brake parts cleaner, some WD-40, get it in there. You can set it up and then spray it down from the top. Just get it all through there and then run it through a bunch of cycles. Eventually, the rail should be moving back to normal, just like this one here. Now that's for your front to back adjustment. For your up and down adjustment for the front and back, it's controlled by these two motors here. So this is gonna be your front and this will be your back. Basically what happens is you get power here on this motor and it spins a little axle here and then spins, it looks like a little corkscrew that connects to this here. Very weird, but for whatever reason they designed it with plastic cogs in there. So they just, the teeth break and so you just have no traction. That's why you hear the motor but you have no movement. That happens a lot of times on both of these here. So what you have to do is you can crack these open. They're 1/4 inch sockets, 4 bolts, a little bit difficult to get to. See that one down there? You're gonna have it connected to power and try to go up or down, whichever way. And if it sticks, just grab this here with a pair of pliers. You can put a towel around it to protect the little corkscrews here. Take it and turn it the way that you want it to go, either up or down. And so you'll be able to turn it until you hear it or feel it start to bind, and then go up or down, just depending on which way you want to go on the motor, and it should move. Probably not a lot, but a little bit, and then you'll be able to turn this again by hand. So you just have to work by turning this and then activating the motor both back to front. Now, if you have the problem like this one, where you can't really get in there with a pair of pliers or anything like that to grab that little corkscrew, right? So you're gonna have to pop the motor open, you have to pry it apart, and you have to force it onto the knob here. You have to force like pressure on it so that it'll grab on the plastic cogs that are all stripped. And then once you get it out far enough, just hook this all back together and you can start doing the same process that you did on this side.